how to deposit money from Betway. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can deposit money on Betway, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically deposit money on Betway, all you have to do is just go to betway.com and log into your account. Then from here what you have to do is to just tap the three lines option from the top left here, and once you go to the three lines option from there, over here you'll find this my account button. So first you have to select my account, and then from there you'll find the deposit button, so tap on deposit. Now when you go to deposit, you'll be able to see a list of options that you have to deposit. So you can say Skrill, which is one of the best choice for my country. You can see Payze, Visa cards, Neteller, or whatever else it is. You can just select a certain method you'd like to deposit money with, and then from there you can just go ahead and select the deposit option here in order to deposit funds to Betway. This way you will be able to deposit funds on Betway. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.